What's up guys, today we're at Vireo by Woodside Homes. Now in this video, we are going to be touring the Laurel Plan 5, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bello with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Vireo by Woodside Homes. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in Summerlin, highly desired Summerlin. If you take the 215 and exit Lake Mead, you can find the community just off in the corner. This community has been open for about 2 weeks. This community actually attracts, I feel like, a specialized buyer, okay? Because in this community, you're gonna get more of like a city type of feel, but also it's gonna be surrounded by like red rocks, so outdoor activities, okay? I would say this community is ideal for like active adults because these floor plans are multi-level. There's a lot of stairs, you guys, so just a heads up. But I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. Okay, so this community offers 5 different floor plans, okay, all ranging from 1441 square feet all the way up to 2034 square feet, with the base prices ranging from $496,990 all the way to $582,990. Okay, some of these plans, 3 of the floor plans will have the garage in the front, and then 2 of them will have the garages in the back. Okay, you guys, one thing about the base price that you need to know is the base price is not a good estimate of your total charges. So whenever you look at the base price, you want to add the lot premium as well as the upgrades to find out where your total is. Okay, so the lot premium here, they're gonna range from about 15 to 20,000. Okay, depending on where the lot is, it could go all the way up to 55,000 if it has like a really nice strip view. As far as the upgrades go, what I was told is on average the builders are putting in about $80,000 to $90,000 worth of upgrades. Now in this community, they're doing mainly spec homes, so quick move-in homes. So what that means is the builders are picking out most options, so that way by the time the buyers get into contract, you can get into your house a lot sooner. Okay, depending where you get into when you sign the contract, if the house is not done for a while, you may have some options you could choose from. But if you get into contract and the house is expected to be done in a few months, you probably don't have any options, you guys. Other things you need to know, the average lot square footage is going to be about 1,900 to 3,000. Okay, so fairly small lots, guys, but very low maintenance. Okay, you don't have a big backyard to clean or anything like that. The HOA here is going to be $89 a month. You're gonna have a master plan, which is gonna be $55 a month. And then you're gonna have a sit assessment here, okay? So it's $550 yearly. So, but you pay that semi-annually, so you'd be paying about $225 every 6 months, okay? So you guys can do the calculations to figure out what the average is per month. That's all the information I have for you, so let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the Laurel Plan 5. Now, this is 1,845 square feet, 3 stories, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 baths, and the base price as of today is $572,990. The Laurel is part of the Collection 2 in this community. So the Collection 2, these 2 floor plans, they're gonna have the garage on the rear side of the house, okay? So the other floor plans in Collection 1, the 3 that they offer, the garage is gonna be in the front. All right, guys, so let's take a look. Okay. Paver driveway is included, as well as desert landscaping. Now remember, the average lot square footage in this neighborhood is going to be about 1,900 to 3,000 square feet. So not much of a yard, but it is fairly low maintenance because you're going to have a small yard. You know, if you have a pet, still doable. They could, here, check out this little side yard you have. Okay. Okay, so welcome in, guys. You're gonna have an 8-foot door right here. Now, as soon as you walk in, you're gonna have 9-foot ceiling. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in. You do have your slider to your side yard. You're gonna have the stairs that go to the 2nd floor, walk-in closet, and storage space. Okay, so this actually goes, let's see how deep this goes. Okay, so it ends right there. But right over here, it looks like they changed the den into the bedroom. Okay, so it's up to you. This is the door to the garage, but it is locked. So you're gonna have your tankless water heater. You'll have your water softener loop. Okay, so welcome to the first bedroom on the very first floor. You know, you can make this a great office working space, or leave this as a guest bedroom. Or if you have a roommate, they could live on the first floor right here. Okay, so undermount sink, nice countertop. Okay, so all these features you're seeing are optional. Okay, guys, what standards you'd have the shower tub combo. Another thing is standards, you do have quartz. Quartz would be the included countertop for the bathroom, but it'd be a different material. You'd also have the Delta chrome faucets, okay, and the maple cabinets. And we have your closet right here. So again, this is the side yard. Okay, so we'll head upstairs. So this is what you see as soon as you head upstairs. Okay. Nice upgraded stair rail. Okay, so that's the dining room, kitchen, and living room. So it's very open up here. Oh, this is nice. Okay, very open. Okay, so you're gonna have a nice little balcony. Yeah, this middle floor is very cozy. I like it. Now, guys, if you are interested in a new build community, do me a favor, give me a call or shoot me a text, guys. I definitely would love to go with you on your very first visit, or at least if you're using a realtor, at least let them know that you're interested in a new build community, and make sure they go with you on your very first visit. You don't want to go to the new build community on your own for your first time and then give them your information, because once they have your information, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation, guys. The builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders, but as realtors, we do for you. So, you know, we look after your best interests. We make sure you get all the best incentives. We negotiate for you, and the builders pay that realtor fee. So definitely a win-win. Okay, so we do have the powder room. It's going to be tucked away in this corner. Okay, look at that optional accent wall right there. Oh, that's like tile. Yeah, definitely a very nice area right here. Now, if you're curious to know what standard flooring is, you're pretty much gonna have carpet all throughout the house. And in the wet areas, the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, and entryway, you'll have the 18 by 18 ceramic tile. As far as the kitchen, what standard is, you'll have for the countertop, you have some options between like quartz and granite. I think you have like 2 options of quartz, and then it'll be like the 4-inch backsplash. So it'll come up to about 4 inches right over there. The cabinets, standard cabinets, you're gonna have 42-inch cabinets. It's gonna be the maple colored. Okay, so maple cabinetry. So the stack cabinets is upgraded. This type of color is upgraded. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included. It does come included is the GE appliance package. So that's the GE oven, GE microwave, and GE dishwasher. Okay. See, they got the nice optional matte black sink with the matte black faucet. Right here, we're gonna have your We're gonna have your pantry. All right, guys, let's head to the 3rd floor. So we'll head to the 3rd floor. Immediately, this is what you see as soon as you walk upstairs. So you have this nice little window right here. So I'm guessing this is your bedroom and this is going to be your primary bedroom. Washer and dryer right there. Okay, your attic access is going to be up top. Okay, so this is your guest bed. This bedroom seems more like a 10 by 10 to me. Okay. You know, this bathroom is going to have its own full bath. Okay. Undermount sink, toilet, nice shower tub combo, upgraded tiles surround, upgraded matte black fixtures. Okay, medicine cabinet as well. Hey guys, take a look at the community. Well, actually, across the street, that's going to be a Pulte Blacktail. Okay, just to give you an idea of where we're located again, guys. We're right off of, like, if you're on the 215 and you're headed west to Summerlin, you take like the Lake Mead exit, and man, they're just building a whole bunch of communities out here. You have like Pulte, you got Taylor Morrison, you have KB around the block. Okay, great area, you guys. Higher elevation. You're surrounded by like these mountains right here. Okay, they got a lot going on in Summerlin, so okay. So welcome to the primary bedroom. Now this bedroom feels massive. Well, maybe it's because I just came from that 10 by 10 room, but I mean, take a look, guys. That's a king. Okay, king size bed. So you definitely have room on the sides, and you have a whole bunch of space right here. Okay. Nice giant slider. Okay, look at that bug right there. Oh. You do have this walk-in closet right over here. Okay, and then you also have another walk-in closet. So his and her walk-in closets. This is great. It's nice having your own little space. Okay. Also, guys, I don't know if I mentioned this, but yeah, you have 9-foot ceiling up here. Okay. So beautiful bathroom, dual sinks. Okay, that is the standard. Got the upgraded shower over there. Okay, water closet, your toilet room. Okay, beautiful. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for the Laurel Plan. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you guys have any questions or if you're looking for a realtor to help you with this new home build process, give me a call, guys. Again, my info is going to be in the description below. But until then, I will catch you guys in the next video.